In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify POS to Notion via Zapier. This process will streamline your workflow, making your data transfer more efficient and organized. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Notion page where you intend to integrate your Shopify POS data. Make sure you've got everything set up on Notion's side and the page you're using is well organized. It might be a good idea to already have a table or a database ready to receive information from Shopify. This will make the whole process smooth and seamless, ensuring that your data lands exactly where you intend it to. Next, let's head over to your Shopify POS. You'll need to locate the specific URL or the link for the Shopify POS info that you want to connect. This link is crucial for setting up your Zapier automation later. Take a moment to ensure that you're copying the correct URL, as a mistake here could lead to connection errors later on. Once you have the URL copied, we are ready to move on. Now that you have the Shopify POS link copied, return to Notion. Open the page where you're planning to make the connection. Here, you will paste the Shopify POS link. Doing so is a simple but vital step. It's essentially creating the bridge between your Shopify POS and Notion through Zapier. So go ahead and paste the link on your Notion page. Once the link is in place, it's time to set up the automation in Zapier. If you're not already familiar with Zapier, it's an excellent tool that helps connect different apps, enabling them to interact without requiring any knowledge in programming or coding. With your Zapier account ready, you can start creating a Zap to automate the data flow between Shopify POS and Notion. To create your Zap, you'll begin by selecting Shopify as the trigger app. This means any event happening in Shopify POS will prompt the automation to start. Configure the specific trigger event, such as a new sale or inventory update. Subsequently, select Notion as your action app. This will direct the data from Shopify straight into your Notion database. In the Setup action step in Zapier, ensure you're mapping the data correctly. This involves selecting which fields in Shopify should correspond to fields in Notion. Double-check everything to make sure your data will be accurately transferred and displayed. Finally, once your Zap has been configured and everything looks good, make sure to test it before turning it on. This ensures everything functions as intended. If the test runs smoothly, you can confidently enable your Zap and watch as data starts flowing automatically from Shopify POS to Notion. And there you have it. You're now efficiently connecting your Shopify POS with Notion using Zapier, significantly enhancing your business operations. Keep exploring Zapier to discover even more ways to automate tasks and elevate your productivity.